Apple TV Plus versus Hulu Live. Apple TV Plus and Hulu Live are two very different streaming services, catering to different types of audiences. Apple TV Plus focuses on high-quality original content, while Hulu Live offers live TV channels along with on-demand shows and movies. Understanding the differences between the two can help determine which service is better suited to your needs. Content library. Apple TV Plus offers a smaller curated selection of original series, movies, and documentaries. It does not have a large back catalog of older TV shows or third-party movies. Hulu Live, on the other hand, provides access to both on-demand content and live TV channels, including major networks and cable channels. Live TV availability. Apple TV Plus does not offer live TV or sports broadcasts. Hulu Live includes live TV streaming, offering local news, sports, and entertainment channels, making it a suitable choice for those who want a cable-like experience. Price comparison. Apple TV Plus is more affordable with a standard monthly subscription fee. Hulu Live is significantly more expensive because it includes access to live TV channels along with Hulu's on-demand content. Streaming quality. Apple TV Plus delivers 4K Ultra HD streaming with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, ensuring a premium viewing experience. Hulu Live provides HD streaming but does not always support 4K resolution for all content. Ad experience. Apple TV Plus is completely ad-free, allowing uninterrupted viewing. Hulu Live has ad-supported and ad-free plans, but even the ad-free version does not remove ads from live TV broadcasts. Device compatibility. Both Apple TV Plus and Hulu Live are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. However, Apple TV Plus is optimized for Apple devices, while Hulu Live is more widely integrated across various platforms. Offline viewing. Apple TV Plus allows offline downloads for all of its content. Hulu Live only permits downloads for select on-demand titles with the ad-free version, but live TV channels cannot be downloaded. Subscription bundles. Apple TV Plus is available as part of the Apple One bundle, which includes Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud Plus. Hulu Live can be bundled with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, providing more entertainment and sports content in one package. Best for different audiences. Apple TV Plus is ideal for those who enjoy high-quality original programming and an ad-free experience. Hulu Live is better for viewers who want live TV, sports, and access to a broad range of network and cable shows. Apple TV Plus and Hulu Live serve different purposes, with Apple TV Plus excelling in original content and quality, while Hulu Live is a strong option for those who want both live and on-demand TV. Choosing between the two depends on whether you prioritize live television or premium originals.